Hey there, folks. Armadillo Bob coming to you. I kind of decided to make this little clip here while got my dinner cooking in the Dutch oven over the open fire. And you know, all you guys out there, you know how it is. Sit home on Sunday afternoon, watching the game, whatever game it is, or whatever sport, NASCAR, basketball, football, hockey, sitting in, chilling out in your big easy chair, you know, and then you know that something exciting is going to happen any minute on the TV, so you don't want to get your fat ass up out of the chair and get yourself a beer. So you holler out, "Hey honey, bring me a beer please." You sit there and you wait for a second. All of a sudden you hear this voice in the background. "Get off your fat ass and get your own goddamn beer." Like, well, that ain't cool. You know damn well you haven't trained your dog to go in there. "Hey Fido, go get me a beer." Fido ain't gonna do it. He's gonna sit there and look at you and like, "What the hell are you talking about?" Because he's fat and happy laying there, stretched out on the floor or on the couch. He don't care. And you sure in the hell can't tell Sally Mae to go to your daughter, your kids, to get you a beer, because that'd be child abuse. God forbid about that. So, you know, what do? Well, Armadillo Bob has come up with an idea that when you're out camping in the woods, and you're sitting there in your fancy RV, and you're sitting outside underneath the canopy with a big screen TV that you pulled out from underneath, watching the game or whatever it is, you want yourself a beer. Well, there's wildlife that can be taught to get you a beer. Believe it or not, it's there. So, all you gotta do pocket, pull out Mother Nature's universal remote control. And then I have to do is point it at what other Mother Nature is around, push the button, and they will get you your beer. Pushing the button. They're not doing nothing. Push it, push it. Let me check the batteries. Yep. Nothing. Alright, now I'm getting pissed off. Come on. Come on. Get me a beer, damn it. Nothing. You bitch. Oh. This is the reason why. Right here. made in China. Ain't that some shit? Maybe that's why it ain't working. Well, let me do some things. Give me a couple minutes. I'll come back to you. And we'll see if we can get this nature remote to work. So sit tight. I'll be back. I'm not Arnold either. Anyway, folks, I'm back. And I did some China-made remote control, and tried to do some adjustments, and that didn't work either. There's something loose inside. I haven't been able to figure out what that is. So, you know, I mean, cheaper is better from China. Outsource everything. Yeah. I don't. So, I want to find out what's rattling inside here. And since they got to have everything so I need to get inside my way. So sit back, hang on, because we're going to do it. Put it right there. So, is everybody ready to see what China builds? What they do? Here it comes. Wow. That's impressive. The outside case stayed all in one piece. Here's their circuit board with a whole lot of nothing. Another piece of it. I'm not impressed. So let's see what happens here. Put that there. That there. We'll try it one more time. What the hell? Right. Right. Well, I'm a bad shot, so let's try this one more time. Just don't do it. There we go. So, that's the crap we get from China. Until next time, I'm Armadillo Bob says, happy trails.